In this less than 2-minute tutorial, we'll show you how to make a simple pie chart in Excel. We'll use this simple table of sales in different regions to demonstrate how easy it is to create a graph for visualization of relevant data in an attractive way. Welcome to channel How To in 2 minutes. If you are looking for short videos with advice in less than 2 minutes, you have come to the right place. So let's start. Select the area with the data you want to visualize in the graph. Click on the Insert tab, go to the Chart section, and select the Pie Chart option. There are other chart design options to choose from. We'll choose the first one. The chart is immediately displayed on the spreadsheet next to the table. You can customize the chart in several ways, such as position, color, design, or the size. If you want to adjust the chart position, just simply click and hold down the left mouse button in the blank area of the chart area, move the chart in any direction, and place it to the desired place. You can also easily resize the chart. Just click on one of the small circles in any corner of the chart area, and drag in any direction until the chart is the size you want. Now let's change design of the chart into our desired look. Make sure that Chart Design tab is visible. If not, just click the blank area of the chart area, and Chart Design tab will appear. Then just simply choose one of the chart styles you like. If you want to change the color of the graph, just simply click on the Change Color and select one of the offered colorful palettes. Charts in Excel are dynamic, so if you change the values in the source table, it is automatically updated in the chart as well. Let's see how it works. We changed sales values in the West region, and the change is immediately visible in the chart. If you found this tutorial video helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below, and watch another video tutorial on How To in 2 minutes.